How to delete my Instagram account in another phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete my Instagram account in another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to remove your Instagram account, if you happen to log into your friend's mobile phone and then you forgot to log out, now you'd remember that you would like to delete the account. It's fairly simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Instagram application and come to the profile page from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side. Then just go to the option here known as Account Center. After you go to Account Center, under Account Settings you'll find an option that says Password and Security. So tap the Password and Security option here. Now, one way that you can delete your Instagram account from another device is by simply changing your password. So by changing your password, everyone else who's logged into your Instagram account will get automatically logged out. This way you can do it. The other way you can do is you can also review the devices manually by going to where you are logged in option here. As you do that, you can select the Instagram account and you will see a list of devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account. So if you recognize a certain device, or maybe you don't recognize for some reason, you can select that device, tap the logout option, tap on the logout button in order to remove your Instagram account off those devices, and similarly you can repeat the process for all the other devices. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.